Hello, fellow project managers. Today we are going to explore scope baseline from the PM book guide and its crucial role, especially within the PMP exam. In predictive projects, this baseline comprised of scope statement, WBS, and WBS dictionary, meticulously defining the project's scope. Picture it like the blueprint for a high-rise construction project. The scope statement sets objectives and constraints. The WBS breaks down the project into manageable parts, and WBS dictionary provides details for each component, ensuring clarity. This scope baseline acts as a guide, preventing scope changes and ensuring alignment with the initial plan. Similar to how a construction blueprint guides and guards against changes mid-project. However, in Agile like Scrum, used in mobile app development, the approach differs. Rather than a fixed plan, Agile embraces adaptability. It's akin to modeling a sculpture. Each iteration shapes the evolving project based on user feedback. In predictive projects, as we said earlier, like building high rises, precision is vital, and the scope baseline maintains a rigid structure, but in agile, adaptability takes precedence over predetermined scope. Thanks for joining us today, and for further updates, stay tuned.